Well, good day, everybody. Sunday, January 28th, and Dad is down to the last few tasks, and I believe he is putting in the hoses for the blower motor heater. So we'll go check it out, see what he's doing here. Well, yeah, he's got the hose cut, and he's got the one hose on right now, and he's installing the second one. Anyways, we got lucky with these blower motor heaters. We got them out of Princess Auto. This one's a 32,000 BTU blower motor heater, and I tell you, toasty warm. We had one of these in the blue Bombardier that was just in the shop, and it didn't take long for the cab to warm up. So at the very least, you should be investing in one of these. And some of the things we've seen in the Bombardiers over the years here, I think this is Bombardier 33 for Dad now, like individual Bombardiers. But we've seen the original Bombardier blower motor heaters. We've seen them out of school buses, combines, whatever. For the price of these things, it pays to invest in a new one, and a good one. So it's a 3-speed.
High, low, medium,
Yeah,
and off.
yeah.
That's it right there.
So there it is. It's installed with the hoses now, and Dad's gonna do the final touches on this one, and then he's gonna go on to the next task. So is that original?
This is what an original looks like. Got a little 12-volt motor,
Yeah.
and the rad
Wow.
is attached right to it.
Okay.
Now to rebuild one of these rads
$400 or $500.
is just about the price of one of them.
Yeah. But if you're looking for an original, we can help you out. This is the customer's original seats, so I'm just going to give it a quick cleanup and some armor all, and we hope to have this installed today. So Dad just drilled a new hole for the interior light switch.
No, for a heater.
Oh, the heater, right. This is called a selector switch, if you're looking for it online. So Dad is installing the brake line, and he has me pushing down the brake pedal, and we're gonna
Pump it a couple times now.
down, up, down, up, down, up. So the new brake line is installed. It's there, and we're just bleeding the brakes here. He's gonna open up the hole a little bit more, and then we're gonna continue on bleeding the brakes.
Okay, now I can bleed it.
Okay. And Dad's just adding some brake fluid now.
You have to add a bit because it has to fill everything, eh? Have to even slacken it off a little bit. You could turn it by hand if you need to. it today. Tomorrow we'll get the gas pedal done,
Okay.
and then we can put the floor in.
Can you turn the ignition on just so I want to see the light?
It should hold there. Press hard.
Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, that's it. So today Dad got everything connected here, brake line. We just bled the brakes. He had to do a little grinding on the foot or the brake pedal there to for the opening. What else did you get done today? You got the light done?
The brake line complete,
Yeah,
to the caliper.
yeah,
That's all in. The bracket is bolted down,
yeah,
and I got the heater wired in.
yeah.
High, medium, low.
Perfect.
Lights,
Yeah.
wipers.
Okay. Okay.
That-
So.
So there, I gotta cut these off yet.
Yeah.
Before it goes in, and I gotta put something here to stop it.
Okay.
The shifter lock, you know, so we have
Yeah.
park, reverse and whatnot, gas pedal.
2 days yet?
1 day should do it.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah. Well,
Whatever it takes, it'll take.
then we're still doing at least 2 test runs, and then call the customer. Hopefully, it is Sunday, January 28th, I think. So there you go, guys. But right now.
Right now.
Okay.
I'm not gonna move it.
No. Dad says he's gonna start it here.
See what happens. Wow. Watch the speed.
Okay.
There's no power steering.
Yeah. Power steering.
2 fingers. As long as you hook up the fuel pump.
Okay.
You hear it slowing down?
Little bit, yeah.
Okay, that means it's got gas. Stop.
Well, that's a welcome sound. And then it's off. Oh.
Running fast because the choker's on.
Okay.
It has to run for a minute. Then you pick it down, the choke will come on.
First time this thing has been started since we moved it a couple of weeks ago. Dad's not going to move it right now, but he's just starting everything up. And he says he's going to check the idle tomorrow. But yeah, there we go. Sounds actually pretty good. What do you think, Dave? See? Oh, yeah. At end of day treats.